Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts, and today we're looking at a pair of 4-inch EVE Accelerated TFT LCDs. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around.
You're experts in LCDs.
We're excited to show you these EVE-powered 4-inch square TFTs. They've got a 480 by 480 pixel resolution and 16 million colors. They're IPS, so they have wide viewing angles without inversion. What really makes these displays shine is that they're controlled with an EVE graphics accelerator, which makes creating interfaces with these screens much simpler, and it gives them extra horsepower to create fully immersive user interfaces. The EVE chip simplifies full color graphics, allowing simple commands to enable scalable, anti-aliased images and text. With the onboard flash memory, you can store images and video. That means you're able to quickly show them on the screen using an underpowered microcontroller, like an Arduino. There's also a screen editor application available that makes designing your interface a breeze. You can also check out our demo code for implementation examples. We have these TFTs available in a non-touch and a capacitive touch version that has an extended glass bezel, which makes it look pretty sleek. I can see these displays being perfect for a number of different applications, from e-bikes to ticket kiosks, or even infotainment or dashboard controls. The possibilities are truly endless. If you've made it this far and you want more information, check out our site link in the description. On our site, you'll find all the product information, 3D models, pricing, demo code, blog write-ups, and more. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or send us an email at support@crystalfonts.com. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.
You're experts in LCDs.